Hi there everyone, today I'm sharing with you a lovely recipe for an easy and delicious 3-ingredient shortbread cookie. This shortbread is a classic, it's buttery, crispy and crumbly with all the flavours you love and none of the fuss. Later on in this video tutorial, I'm going to share with you some of my favourite shortbread flavours which you may like to try. Time to start making shortbread cookies. We're starting with softened butter. Make sure the butter is soft just like this and it'll make the process so much easier. Place in a medium-sized bowl and into this add in the sieved icing sugar or powdered sugar, whichever you're using. Mix with an electric mixer for about 2 minutes until the mixture is light and fluffy. You can see how smooth my mixture is, and you won't get this unless the butter is nice and soft. Now add in the all-purpose flour and mix again until the dough comes together. Using a spatula, remove the excess dough from the whisks, and now you can bring the cookie dough together. I'm leaving this shortbread plain, but I've made up a couple of other flavours which I'd like to show you. This one has Funfetti Sprinkles in it. You get a really nice mix of colour from these, and the kids love them too. My favourite is Cranberry and Orange, and these two go really well together. The final one is simple chocolate chips, and it's fab too. For this shortbread recipe, add 80 grams of whichever flavour you want to make. Now to roll the cookie dough, and the best thing to use is cling wrap, and to spoon the mixture into a long log. Start wrapping the dough, and when you've got that done, all you have to do is roll it until you get a nice smooth dough. The cookie dough needs to firm up, so place it in the fridge for at least 1 hour, but you've got up to 3 days to make them. When the dough is firm, remove from the fridge and take the cling wrap off. When I make this recipe, I always double it and I split the dough into 4 equal amounts and add my favourite flavours to each mix. It's a great way of having extra cookie dough in the freeze if you need it, and it'll keep for up to 3 months, so it's brilliant. Using a sharp knife, cut into 1/4 inch size cookies. These cookies are a great gift. Everyone loves cookies and there's nothing better than a homemade edible gift. Now let's get these onto a lined baking sheet. I bake 12 on each tray, bake for 20 minutes until golden brown. Allow to cool slightly before placing on a cooling rack. These 3-ingredient shortbread cookies are so easy to make. I really hope you try them out. If you do, let me know in the comment section down below what you thought of them. I'd also love to know what flavours you've tried. There's so many nice ones out there, and I bet you can come up with some of your own. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to let me know how you get on. Happy baking everyone. Bye bye.